In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce Unmanaged package. This process is straightforward and designed to enhance your development workflow by enabling you to bundle components together for easier distribution and management. Let's walk through it step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup section. You can find the Setup option by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From there, simply open Advanced Setup. This section is where we begin configuring our package, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, in the Setup menu, locate the Quick Find box. Type Package Manager into the search bar. This will bring up the option you need, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Package Manager section, you should see an option to create a new package, aptly labeled New. Click on this to start building your package. Now let's give your package an identity. You're going to be asked to enter a package name and description. The name should be concise but descriptive enough so that you and your team can easily identify its purpose later on. The description provides additional context, which can be particularly useful when collaborating with others or for personal reference. Once you've filled out these fields, be sure to save your changes. With the groundwork laid, it's time to add components to your package. Click the Add Components button to open a window that lets you select what's going to be included in this package. You have several options here, like objects, fields, and Apex classes, among others. Select the components you want to include, then click Add to Package. This step is crucial for encapsulating everything you need within the package. After adding all the necessary components, you're ready to wrap things up. Click the Upload button to begin the final steps of the process. You'll need to set version information during this step. Versioning is important for tracking changes and ensuring that everyone using the package is on the same page, so take a moment to thoughtfully assign version numbers. Once you've set that information, go ahead and click Upload again to start the upload process. And that's it. You've successfully created a Salesforce Unmanaged package. This package can now be distributed or used within your organization to streamline deployment efforts and keep everything neatly organized. Remember, the key to mastering Salesforce is practice, so feel free to go through these steps a few more times until you're comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching and happy packaging.